welcome you for my 21 days healing relationship series where we heal all the important relationship in just 21 days. Today is day 2 healing your relationship with your mother. But before that, if you are not watched my day 1's video which is based on healing your ancestral lineage, make sure you watch it. Today we deep dive into the sacred space of healing with your relationship with your mother, the first woman who shaped your understanding of love, worthiness, and belonging. Whether your mother is with you or has passed on, whether your relationship was nurturing or challenging, today we will release all old patterns, wounds, limiting belief that no longer serve you for a highest good. Remember, healing is the primary relationship transform not just a self-worth and confidence, but also the capacity for an abundance, health, and deep authentic love in all areas of life. Okay, let's start the EFT. Tap here, just follow with me. Even though I feel judged, misunderstood by my mother, and carry deep hurt from feeling unloved, abandoned, I deeply and completely loved, honor, and accept myself, and I forgive myself and my mother for everything. Even though I feel controlled, criticized by my mother, and struggled, guilt, and resentment in our relationship, I choose to honor, accept, and love myself, my journey, and I forgive myself with and my mother also with compassion. I forgive both of us. Even though I carry anger and feel unseen by my mother, and I have battle with trust and have a trust issue with my mother, feeling I am not good enough, not worthy enough, I honor and respect myself. I honor and respect my mother completely. Take a deep breath. Do the tapping on multiple points. Here, take 2 fingers. And now we will be tapping through the meridian points. While focusing on, we will release the deep rooted belief. Okay, and that is never feeling good enough for our mother. Okay, that way we do. So first tap it here and repeat. I release this fear of never being good enough for my mother. Release. Side eye. I let go all those guilt and sadness attached to this belief. I release the need to prove my worth to receive her love. Release. I forgive myself for believing I wasn't enough as I was. Yeah. I release all the criticism and judgment I internalized. I release and let go the pain of feeling constantly disappointed. I release the exhaustion of trying to earn approval. Release. I free myself from the prison of perfectionism. I choose to see myself through eyes of unconditional love. Thumb. I am enough. I have always been enough. This one. I release this pattern from every cell of my being. I choose and I love acceptance for myself right now. I honor my journey and my mother's journey with compassion. I love and respect her. I am free to love myself completely and unconditionally. I am free to love my mother completely and unconditionally. Take a deep breath. Okay, release this. Yeah, so this is what the thing. This is a 1 EFT round which you need to do multiple times because many things you have deeply rooted and it may not go in just 1 round. So do the multiple round. And don't forget to express your gratitude to your mom. Okay, follow this. Now we will move to next technique which is Ho'oponopono. Let's do the Ho'oponopono now. Close your eyes, put hands on your heart. Imagine the face of your mother in front of you, whether she's alive or in spirit. Feel her presence and speak this word from your heart, allowing them to ripple back through the generations of mother and daughters, healing all the patterns. Just repeat. Dear mother, I take 100% responsibility for inherited patterns of emotional distance that have lived in our family line. For I take responsibility for the cycle of criticism, judgment has passed down through the generations. For the wounds and I feeling unsupported, unloved, and have created the worries between us. I am sorry for the time I close my heart. I am sorry for the resentment I have carried that has created distance between us. I am sorry for the judgment I have held. I have prevented the healing and understanding. Please forgive me for not seeing your pain and struggle. Please forgive me for expecting you to heal wounds that were passed down from your own mother. Please forgive me for carrying the anger that has hurt both of us and prevented our hearts from connecting. Thank you. Thank you for giving me life and for doing the best you could do with awareness you had. Thank you for the strength you have passed down through your survival. Thank you for the opportunities to heal these patterns, not just for myself, but for all the daughters and mothers who come from our lineage. I love you beyond the pain, beyond the misunderstanding. I love you for everything. I love the soul essence who you are. I love you and free us both to experience to pure love, and that has always existence beneath our words. Let this love resonate with you from the heart, feeling and healing energy flowing through your entire maternal lineage, forward and backward. One more time, repeat with me. Dear mother, I am sorry. I am sorry for judging you for small things. I am sorry for blaming you. I am sorry for complaining for small things. I am sorry for not understanding your struggle. I am sorry for all my mistakes which I did. Please forgive me for all the bad behavior I have. Please forgive me for all the bad words I said to you. Please forgive me for not acknowledging your hard work. Please forgive me for not recognizing your sacrifices you made. Please forgive me for never appreciating you. Please forgive me for all my mistakes. I am your child. Please forgive me. Thank you for taking care of every one of us. Thank you for giving me birth. Thank you for upbringing me. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you very much for guiding me. Thank you very much for helping me. Thank you very much for teaching me all the important things. Dear mother, I am sorry for all the bad things, whatever mistakes I have done. Please forgive me for everything. Thank you very much for being there, always for me. I love you the way you are. I accept you the way you are. And I respect you the way you are. I honor you the way you are. Now, I am expressing first time, Mom. I love you unconditionally. I respect you unconditionally. Thank you very much from my bottom of the heart for everything you have done for me, Mom. I am sorry for everything. Please forgive me for it. Thank you, Mom, for everything. And I love you, Mom, for everything. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's have the assignment today. Your today's assignment, before you sleep tonight, I want you to express your feeling to your mother. Talk to your mom. Call her. Express your thanks, your gratitude to her. Say thank you. Say I love you to her. Just call her. Ask her first time. And express whatever feeling you have suppressed. Or else, if she's not there, take a pen and paper. Write down. Understanding, loving, caring letter for her. Express the gratitude. Express everything you have always wanted to say to your mother. Express your love. Express your forgiveness. Express your gratitude. Express your understanding for her struggle now. Express your appreciation that she has given, whatever she has given to you, even if it is wasn't on the way when you need it. And don't worry about the grammar or anything. Making it perfect. It's okay. Just let your heart speak directly to your mother. When you are finished, read it aloud with your hands on the heart. Blessings both yourself and your mother with this wounds healing. Do it. You can choose to keep this letter in a sacred place or send it to your mother if it is leaving. If not, keep it with you. Or else you can burn it. with the gratitude, releasing all old energy, allowing the space for new, loving the energy to flow between you. Remember, healing is not about changing your mother, it's about feeling yourself to love and be loved fully. As you heal this primary relationship, you open doorways to experience deeper love, worthiness, and joy in every area of your life. And before sleeping, do it without fail. Write letter, express everything. If you have any other struggle in your any life areas, if you want to learn more detail about this EFT, Ho'oponopono and NLP, you can visit my website one. There are lots of courses are free, paid. You can choose whichever you want. Even you can book free one-on-one call with me. I will guide you for that. Whether you join my courses or not, that's different thing. But make sure you practice. Make sure you show up every day, watch video and practice with it. Because relationship are most important area in our life. Suppose if you have a lot of money, billions of rupees, and if you don't have relationship, then will you be happy in your life? So this is one of the most area. So maintain it. We will be healing all the important relationship, 21 important relationships. So don't miss out any video. Make sure you watch it from the day one and practice with it. Trust me, you will experience the magical relations, deeper connection, fulfilling relation with your life, with everyone. For this journey, we'll grow together. Thank you very much for allowing me to heal you. Thank you very much for practicing with me. I wish you all the wonderful relation, deeper connection, and love in your life. Thank you very much.